Hello guys, today I am in Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose International Airport, which is located in Kolkata, West Bengal. In West Bengal we have two airports. One is this one and one more airport is in Siliguri Airport, and I have a flight to Hyderabad at 4:30 I think, and I have to go Hyderabad today. In Kolkata, we have more yellow taxis compared to other metro cities. In Kolkata, have lots of yellow taxis, and here we have a beautiful garden in front of the airport, and that is the board which is Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose International Airport, Kolkata city. This is the boarding entry for domestic passengers. This is the entrance, and here the vehicles will come and people will go inside to take off flights. And here we have a beautiful garden in front. This is the domestic boarding, and international is separate, and domestic in the sense inside India. Here we have a entry in 3A, and because of the COVID will not have more people, and I will show you my flight also, which is Hyderabad Indigo flight. In Kolkata, Durga Mata is very powerful god, and here we have a Durga Mata ideal which is 3D printed, and that is the Durga Mata ideal printed photography. And here I have 2 hours more to take off my flight, and I am just relaxing. I have 2 hours more, right? And I don't have more work to do here, and I'm just relaxing, and I have to sanitize every time because this is the COVID situation. We can't believe, right, without sanitization. And here, people who don't watch my previous video, please do watch and share, and don't forget to subscribe Indian Walks by Hyderabadi Ashok. I just roaming inside airport of the Kolkata, and I told you, right, I have 2 more hours to take off my flight, and I just roaming inside. And here we have food terminals also. Inside is good, not bad, and I'm going in a shop, and here I have ideal of the Kali Mata and Durga Mata, and that is the Kali Durga Mata and Kali Mata, and those ideals are I saw in Bishnupur when I went Bishnupur, and I saw those ideals. And here we have a lot of dolls and lot of things to buy from Kolkata. And this is the platform number 25. I have flight on platform 20, and those are the platforms like how we have in MGBS platform, like that only we have. And this is the accelerator for people who don't want to walk more, and for that for them have this kind of accelerators and easy to go. Here I will show you how flight move from platform to take off, and I will show you very clearly. And those are the green color are the boarding states to go from platform to direct inside of the flight. Here the stair terminals are came back after boarded passengers in flight, and here it will work like that only. After boarded passengers it will came back, and whenever it wait it will move forward. And here the flight is moving to take off, and here flight have to go back, but flight itself not going. And here the small vehicle is pushing back to flight for the sake of the fuel saving. The small vehicle is pushing back. After pushing off the flight, the small vehicle will come back their respective place. Finally, Jaipur flight is going to take off and it is on the road now. And I'm sure that it will not take more than 2 minutes to take off in air. And bye bye, Jaipur passengers. And I have flight to Hyderabad also. Finally, Hyderabad's flight time came, and those passengers are the Hyderabad Indigo passengers, and this is the stage to go inside. And I said you right, and those are the platforms which one more flights will come, and there will be boarded passengers over there only. This is the boarding stage, direct connection from platform to inside flight. I said you right, whenever this terminal needed, it will come forward and it will go back also. This is the flight looking like bus only. Hey guys, I'm not getting more interest to upload more videos. I have taken lot of videos, but I'm not getting uploaded because I'm getting nervous. I don't know what you people require. You just comment on which kind of videos you need. You just comment on it. I will do my level best to upload, and I will make videos more, and I will upload for you. Please do like and don't forget to subscribe, and guys, please comment on it whatever required. Please comment on it. I will make videos for that, and it will not take more 2 hours to land in Hyderabad.
Automatically from the panel above. Pull a mask down sharply to stop the oxygen flow. Cover your nose and mouth and breathe normally. Please wear your mask first before assisting others, and kindly make sure that you remove your face mask beforehand. There are 8 emergency exits on this aircraft. To forward, to rear.
The air hostess just turn off the lights in flight, and the pilot is ready to move. He just started the flight, and the flight is just moving slowly. Pilot is increasing the speed of the flight, and he is increasing more and more, and we are ready to take off, and the flight is taking off, I think, and we just take off. We are on the air now, and we are on the air, and we will land in more 2 hours in Hyderabad city. Welcome to Hyderabad. We came Hyderabad, and this is the main road. We landed in Hyderabad. The flight is getting slow. The pilot is getting down the flight, and the flight is moving. And we have moving to arrival platform to go inside Hyderabad airport.
आप अपने मोबाइल फोन का इस्तेमाल कर सकते हैं। सीट बेल्ट का संकेत बंद होने तक कृपया आप अपने कुर्सी की पेटी बांधे रखें और सामान का
I have to take my bag, and I deposited in Kolkata airport, and this is the baggage claim, and I have to take my bag.
मेरा बैग कहाँ पे है?
This is the arrival accelerator for Rajiv Gandhi International Airport. We just came, and we are searching for cab, and we are just booking either Ola or Uber, and we are just searching a cab, and we got a Ola cab. Here we have Starbucks also. Starbucks are closed it.
नहीं
And we have to go our respective houses, right? So we are searching for cab, and I think we may go by Ola, and we just searching for cab, and we have booked it, Ola cab. Hey guys, I will upload one more video as soon as possible. Please comment it.